Hey guys, so I figured I would make a bike check of my bike. Starting up top, I have Fit grips that have the flanges cut off. I should be getting new grips soon. I'm thinking either ODIs or Caught Vans grips. Just crappy Barnes. I think I have Fit bars, the 8-inch rise, Fit stem, Eastern headset. Let me set it down. Fit blade forks, Alienation black rim, Fit tire, which I'm gonna change to some Odyssey Aikens, and sealed Fit hub. The frame is a 21.5-inch Chase Hawk version 1 frame, and I just have textural brakes. I'm gonna take them off when I get new grips. It's just the way it came. Animal pedals, I hate these things. They're metal and I just hate them. They're destroying my shoes, if you can tell. You can't really tell, it's not in the sunlight. But like the whole side and bottom of my shoes are tore apart from these things. And yeah, I don't recommend them. I'm probably gonna get some plastic PCs, either the Odyssey or I don't know. 3-piece crank that's Fit, 25 tooth Fit sprocket. Just basic KMC chain, 9-tooth rear hub to a sealed hub cassette, Alienation black rim in the back also, and Fit tire. I'm gonna change that too to Odyssey Path. The seat is an Odyssey Senior rail seat with a Fit rail post, and then just integrated headset, and then textural brake and animal, that and Velcro. Yeah, so that's my bike so far. That's how I bought it. I'm probably going to change the bars and rims and stuff in the future, but I don't have any money right now. So yeah, thanks, bye.